Hello everyone. So today we're going to do a cleanup of our water softener. This is a Whirlpool water softener, and as you can see I don't have that much salt in it as well. So we need to take this cover off, and I bought a water softener from Home Depot. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, so this Ream water softener, I was looking for the Whirlpool one, but I couldn't find it in the store, so this was the next best thing. It was 13.97, so not that expensive. So you'll have the instructions on the cover of the water softener. I bought salt as well. So let's start. Let's start by opening up the bottle. It'll have a sheet on it, so take that off as well. So let's pour it down this opening, pour down the whole thing, and you'll see the instructions at the back of the bottle too. So as soon as you pour the bottle, you need to recharge the water softener. In most water softener, you can hold down the recharge button and it'll start recharging, and mine is no different. So I'm gonna hold down the recharge button and it will start. The recharge takes about 2 hours, so make sure you're doing it at a time when the water softener is not going to be used. So it's going to do its thing. We can put the cover back on and we are done. Thanks for watching.